Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl is giving y'all a hair tutorial today, okay? Because I see that you guys are loving the hair tutorials. So this is going to be a crisscross passion twist hairstyle. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to part my hair ear to ear. This is just going to help me get a sense of direction with my hair and just make sure that the braiding pattern and the crisscross pattern is, looking cute. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the first half of my head, and I'm going to just part my hair into 4 evenly squares, and this is for my crisscrosses, you guys. However, I just want to point out that my parting sucks, okay? Like when I'm doing my own hair, my parting is gonna be so butt like seriously. So like usually I would have my boyfriend help me do it, but I didn't have the patience for all of that. So I said, you know what, I know the hairstyle is still gonna look cute because we're gonna make it do what it do, okay? So just make sure that you at least making sure the rubber bands in the front for the crisscrosses are not super tight, because you don't want to put that much friction on your hair and so much tension, because then this hairstyle, I may say, will give you a headache. Okay, so just make sure that you are doing your hair to where it's like where you can like manage the tightness, if that makes sense. So I already started doing one off camera. I realized I didn't press start because, as you can see, I'm all up into the TV. So I started off by using Edge Booster, and Edge Booster is just going to help me maintain the hairs, making sure I'm not picking up extra hair, just making sure it's just tight together. I'm specifically using the brown Edge Booster. I don't know, but colors with the Edge Booster, I feel like it's a thing. Like I just feel like this edge control is the bomb. Like I didn't do my edges and stuff, but I'm telling you, this is a great color to pick up for the Edge Booster. So I'm basically applying the Edge Booster all over the square that I have here, and I'm doing 3 on each side. Just make sure that you are equally parting the hair, okay? Make sure that you have 3 on this side, which is going to be the total of 6, and then you want to make sure that it's a total of 6 on the right hand side as well. So yeah, you're gonna see about what I'm gonna do. However, you want to make sure that if you have 4C hair, this is just something that's going to help you. Make sure that you are dragging that edge control down your hair, because it's going to allow your hair to straighten out. So this is what I said I'm going to show you guys. So you want to make sure that the part is even, okay? So this is one thing that I just try to make sure that I'm doing, is making sure the parting is as close to each other as possible, because this is what's going to give your crisscrosses a cleaner look. You know what I'm trying to say? So you're going to apply your edge control. You're going to use your brush to make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout the hair, and then add your rubber band. So I'm evenly distributing the edge control again at the ends of my head. And the way I'm going to create the crisscross is by creating an X. So you're going to drag the hair that's in the front to the back to make sure that it's connecting in an X motion, okay? So I do want to point out again, because this hairstyle is very tight. At least I'm very tender-headed. So if you're tender-headed, I would suggest that you make sure that you are not applying these rubber bands too tight, because girl, you're going to have a headache. So this is how the crisscross look. I told you guys before, my parting sucks. However, this is, you want it to look something like this. You can make it look so much better or whatever, but you want to just make sure that it's looking like this. So at the side I have 6, and at the 2 top parts that's straight down the middle of my head, it is 4. So it's an equal number of 8. Now for the back of my head, I'm going to create cornrows. Cornrows, it doesn't matter the size. You don't even have to do the braid pattern like I'm doing it. I'm just kind of want to make sure that I'm helping my hair grow as much, so I do smaller braids at the back. So I'm going to braid big braids going back on my head. And with this, you can make sure that you add some leave-in conditioner or your moisturizers while braiding, because this is a protective hairstyle. So you just want to make sure you're greasing your scalp and all those good stuff. So this is how your head should look. This is the braid pattern, the crisscross pattern, and all that good stuff. You guys could screenshot or whatever, so you guys could do it by yourself, or come back to this video, of course, because that's always a good help as well. The hair that I'm going to be using is from Tuneful hair, available on Amazon. Super affordable. It comes with a beautiful crochet needle, so you won't have to worry about that, along with some nice hair decorations and rubber bands. The rubber bands are a little bit too weak for me. I know they will pop, so I just bought black rubber bands to do my hair in the front. However, if you like those type of rubber bands, you should be fine. If you want the direct link to this hair, it will be linked in the description box down below, again in my Amazon storefront. I would also like to point out that if you have gotten this far into the video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's channel, especially if you guys are new. So this is how much I had got done, you guys. A few of them I had took out because it was puffy, as you can see. And then the needle broke on me, you guys. I don't know if I was doing my hair too rough, or I have no idea, but it had broke on me. But you guys know a win is a win, right? So I just pushed that needle right back in there. It kept falling out throughout this process, but it was okay. So basically what you want to do is make sure that you are pushing your crochet needle open. Okay, make sure that needle is open, and you want to push it through your hair. After you push it through your hair, you want to take your hair, which is crochet hair. It will always have a loop at the end for you to apply the hair. You want to apply the hair and then close the latch back. You're going to pull the hair through. Once you get the hair through the latch, you are going to take that loop again, pull the hair through, and then pull it as tight as you can. Now, I took this one out again because, girl, as you can see, some of these hairs was a little bit puffy for me. So I had to take the neat ones and then apply it to your girl hair. So that is basically it for the hairstyle, you guys. I love the way my hair turned out, you guys. It's giving very much summertime vibes. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channels. Don't forget to turn on your post notification to get notified whenever Berryjanee uploads a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.